Okay, this is Henry and we're back. We're ready to put it together, put it all together, which means we want to now update this page, which is the RSVP page, which you can see up here. Just FYI, if you go to registersd.com, which stands for San Diego, that actually will reroute you to this same exact page, which is the RSVP page. So you're going to go ahead and log in to our friend WordPress here. And when you log in to WordPress, you're going to be able to edit this page. Now, what I recommend doing is pulling up the Ultra Edit, which is right here, and then literally copying and pasting these pieces into the page as it stands. One thing before you do this, which I already did, but you'll definitely want to do this, is go into the HTML, click Control A, right click Copy, and then go into a text document. You can use Notepad, that's fine. I did it under here. And what you do is let me see if I think I already put it away, but let me actually show you here. 1 second. Recent files, invite page. So you want to save it as the year, the month, and then invite web page code.txt. So you want to back that up and send that to me so I have a copy of that. And I'm going to go ahead and add that in here. Registration page, we did that. Okay, back up old registration page, HTML code, send to Henry. So I have a copy of it. Now, what we're going to do is put the copy, the YouTube video, and the registration form all live on the RSVP page. Note, register, sd.com directs to this page also. Okay. Alright, so here we are again on the page. I'm just going to start copying and pasting here. So this is going to be the headline. So we're going to have this go down to there and then paste. Okay, and for some reason it didn't get the formatting. Oh well. Lose the formatting and do it again. I'm going to go and delete the video here. Okay, so this right here is all going to be headline 1 and centered. This is where it's kind of an art form. You just got to do this stuff and get better at it. It's just not easy doing the HTML. So just do the best you can. Okay, and then I'm going to put this stuff next. And I'm going to delete most of the stuff down here until we have the standard stuff. Yes, okay, the register now. We want to keep the graphic there. Get rid of the whole sign up form. And we'll just update the date there, leave all the signature on here. Okay, 14th, and then we have November 16th. Here. And then December 9th. Okay, and we're going to leave all the stuff at the bottom because that's good copy. Highly recommend as you do this, you update it as you go so that it's updated. That'll save it. It takes a while, just so you know, to save on here. And that's okay. Alright, so we're going to do these two pieces next. Okay. And these are going to be headline number 2. And then centered. That good. We're going to have the guarantee be next, which is this right here. And I want to have this be offset a little bit. So I think what we're going to do with this, and we don't want any of the carriage returns. I'm just taking those out. So for this, I think I want to have a box option here. I'm just going to use 2. Pre-formatted. Why not? Okay. And then now we're going to put some text here. You can see I'm just literally copying and pasting this. Okay, this is going to go down to the video. So we're going to go ahead and paste this in right here. Okay, get rid of the spaces. Okay, now it's time for the video. So again, I'm going to update this, and I'm going to go grab the code for the YouTube video, which is here, and highlight that code. Control-C and Control-V are your best friends. Then we're going to go into the HTML, and we're going to go right to where it has is below. That's the text we're looking for. Is below right here, and then we're going to put in Control-V, which is going to paste the YouTube video code, and now you'll see now it shows up here, which is great. Click on that and center it. I don't know if that'll work or not. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Try, if not, no big deal. Okay, and then after this, put a few more spaces. Okay, go back to the website copy. So we have the video embedded now, and then we have at this event you'll discover. So we're going to call this down to the registration block. And we're going to paste this in here. Okay, so at this event you will discover. Okay, perfect. Now we're ready for the registration. It's going to be here, so let's kick this down. Now the registration code, I'm just going to put an XXX so I know exactly where it goes. I'm going to update the page. Let's go grab the registration code, which is here. Again, remember we got this from Infusion. Now one thing about this is you want to change at the top the person, because it'll say something generic at the top if you don't change it. So right here, person information. You want to update this. Let me see if I still have the page up. I do. So how do we call it here? Register me now is what we want to make that say instead. So we change it here and say register me now. And then the other thing we want to change is you can see sign me up Henry. So if you right click and view the source, you can actually see see where this is. Sign me up Henry. So this is the value we want to have in the code. So I'm going to go back over now. So this is the part you need to know, which is here. Under down here, the value, instead of submit, we want to change it to say sign me up Henry. And then we're going to copy this. I'm going to save this file, hit save, right click and copy. And we're going to paste that into the code area, which is going to be under HTML and where it was XXX. And again, you can stop this if you need to know exactly what it is. So I'm just looking here. Discover. Where's XXX here? Interesting. So it still has some of the old code. So the register now on the XXX. It didn't delete all the infusion code. See the XXX in the middle there? Now we have to delete all this other stuff. Delete, 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 delete. Take that here. This is why you want to do it in the code area, because it's a heck of a lot easier. So you can see here all the infusion stuff that we have to get rid of because we're not using that. We're going to put the new one in. Okay, now we just have the XXX. Delete that. Now we paste. That'll paste the new information. And let's take a look and see how it looks. So you can see now it looks good. I'm just going to kick it up a couple spaces here. See how it says register me now, and it has sign me up Henry. So that's the new form. And now we're done with the form. Let's do the bottom. See on October 14th, which I think is what we had. Let's take a look at the website copy. You know, I actually put some more copy below it, so we're going to go ahead and put all this stuff down here. Down to CU October 14th. Most of the stuff here is going to be the same at the end, which we already updated. So here, copy that, highlight, and paste. And now we're going to get rid of the spaces, and we're going to see how this thing actually looks. Okay, let's space this one down a bit. Make this 2 and centered because it's important. This stuff all needs to be left justified. Just adding some highlighting in here so that it looks nice. Okay, you can see I just finished formatting everything. Now I'm going to click the update page. Let it finish, and then what I'm going to do is right-click View Page and open in a new window. Let's see how it looks. And this is where we go through the editing process of making sure it looks okay.